welcome back to the kitchen. I'm your kitchen beautician, Robin McDonald. Today's video is rejuvenating dry hair. Now, the best thing to do this with, great oils. You know I love my olive oil. Now, when you're buying olive oil, you want to make sure you buy it in an opaque jar because a clear jar will dilute the efficacy of the oil, and you want to make sure that those essential fatty acids and lipids and proteins in the olive oil are really strong. Same goes for sweet almond oil I'm using today. I'm also going to use a couple of drops of sesame oil and the juice of half a lemon. So, you know, the conditions of our body are always reflected in our hair and skin. So what you want to really pay attention to first is the scalp. The scalp can be clogged with debris and buildup of oils, old product, dead skin cells, and if that's happening, the proteins can't get to the hair shaft. So what we want to do today is devise a way for you to redeposit those great proteins into the cuticle and the hair shaft. So get yourself a nice bowl. I've got about a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. You can pick that up at a health food store, and a grocery store sometimes have sweet almond oil as well. We've got a teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm just going to eyeball this a little bit because sesame is very overpowering, the scent of it anyway. Just a few drops. Now, I've also picked up a brush at the local beauty supply, and that's a great way to mix these oils up. Now for a little lightening and brightening, and also to help break down that buildup on the scalp, the juice of half a lemon. Oh, I've got my seeds in there. Forgot to use my tea strainer. I'm just going to pull those out. The other thing that you want to get for yourself is a nice fine-tooth comb, something with a lot of teeth very closely spaced. I'm going to put that right over those seeds so you don't have to look at them. And on a nice, clean, towel-dried head, you want to create several parts in the hair and then paint these oils right into the part and push it right into that scalp, into the skin. Take your comb and comb it through right to the ends of the hair. Now sit for about maybe 20 minutes on that. You can wrap your hair in saran wrap too, because when you heat the hair, it also helps to enhance the activity of the oils and opens that cuticle so that all those good proteins can get right into the skin. Sit for about 15-20 minutes. Shampoo and condition as you normally do. You won't believe how silky and shiny your hair feels after this. That's it. Thanks very much for joining me in the kitchen today. And I'm at beautyhighway.com. Robin McDonald, your kitchen beautician. There's no place like home. Signing off. See you next time.